China has already been in deflation. I've been asked about this question for about a year, whether China is on deflationary track. It is, and it has been in the deflationary condition for almost 2 years now. So with 1.8% contraction of the PPI yesterday, and even the CPI, I disregard the headline number. It's only about the core inflation itself, excluding food and energy, is 0.2%. And it's just simply as no inflation at all on the consumer side. Domestic demand has been very weak. We are also looking at a very poor retail sales number in the coming Saturday when they release it. Just 2.3% increase in retail sales. So I think the weak domestic demand plus the fact that some of the segment of the export are running into overcapacity problem. So the producer price has not been going up, and due largely to the very poor property market. So if we don't see a rebound or recovery or meaningful recovery of the property market within the coming 12 months, then I think that the deflationary scenario will continue to stay, in China for a long while.
Raymond, turning to the export side, how concerned are you that the outlook worsens after November the 5th, if it is a Trump presidency, and if he does move forward with some of his campaign pledges of China tariffs upwards of 60% plus?
It's a very interesting phenomenon. Even during Trump's presidency, in his first term, I would say, we did see an increase in export immediately after his hawkish stand expressed to the public. So it seems to me that there might be a boost, a very short-term boost to Chinese export in order to take advantage of not to face a high tariff scenario. But then afterward, if Trump is really trying to increase the tariff to 60%, it's got to be a major impact to exporters and manufacturers that will shift the supply chain, or we align the supply chain to other countries. We have seen in the past few years that the direct export from China to the U.S. only share as less than 20% now. The share of China is the biggest market of China is now ASEAN. And also if we include Mexico into the picture, it's even larger. So that maybe the direct export from China, from mainland China to U.S. would definitely drop if there is a high tariff scenario. But then the Chinese export to other parts of the world may alleviate some of the pressure of the exporter from China.